Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be talking about the ultimate AI career guide that will get you hired in the AI revolution. This is your time to shine. Stay tuned to the end for the steps to a successful AI career. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. It's not just a buzzword anymore, it's a reality that's reshaping the way we live, work, and interact with each other. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is influencing our daily routines in ways we might not even realize. From self-driving cars that navigate busy streets with ease to doctors using AI tools to provide personalized medicine, the applications of AI are vast and varied. These advancements are not just futuristic concepts, they are happening right now, all around us. AI is transforming industries and creating countless opportunities. In manufacturing, robotic arms powered by AI are assembling products with precision and speed. In finance, AI algorithms are making trading decisions in milliseconds, optimizing profits and minimizing risks. This means there's a huge demand for skilled professionals who can build and use AI systems. Engineers, data scientists, and programmers are at the forefront of this revolution, developing the algorithms and systems that drive AI forward. If you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career, now is the perfect time to join the AI revolution. The field is ripe with opportunities for those who are willing to learn and adapt. Whether you're just starting out or looking to pivot your career, AI offers a path to success. The AI field is booming, with companies of all sizes investing heavily in this technology. From large corporations to nimble startups, everyone is looking to harness the power of AI to gain a competitive edge. This translates into a massive surge in AI-related job openings across various sectors. Job fairs are bustling with companies eager to recruit AI talent, and online job portals are flooded with listings for AI roles. Whether you're passionate about healthcare, finance, or technology, there's a place for you in the world of AI. The possibilities are endless, and the impact you can make is profound. Now is your time to shine and be a part of this exciting journey. To thrive in the AI industry, you'll need a strong foundation in technical skills. Proficiency in programming languages like Python is essential. Python's simplicity and extensive libraries make it the go-to language for AI development. Beyond programming, a solid grasp of machine learning concepts is crucial. ML algorithms enable AI systems to learn from data and make predictions. Familiarize yourself with different ML techniques such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. While technical skills are vital, don't underestimate the importance of soft skills. AI projects often involve collaborating with diverse teams. Strong communication skills will help you effectively convey complex ideas and collaborate with colleagues from different backgrounds. Furthermore, problem-solving and critical thinking abilities are highly sought after in the AI industry. You'll need to analyze data, identify patterns, and devise creative solutions to complex challenges. The ability to think critically and approach problems from different angles is essential for success in AI. The AI field is constantly evolving with new trends emerging all the time. From advancements in machine learning algorithms to breakthroughs in natural language processing, the landscape of artificial intelligence is ever-changing. Keeping up with these developments is not just a matter of interest, but a necessity for professionals in the field. Staying updated on these trends will give you a competitive edge in the job market. Whether you're a software engineer, data scientist, or a business strategist, understanding the latest in AI can set you apart from your peers. It can open doors to new opportunities and help you stay ahead in a rapidly evolving industry. One prominent trend is the rise of deep learning, a powerful subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to process vast amounts of data. Deep learning has revolutionized fields such as image and speech recognition, making it possible for machines to understand and interpret complex patterns in data. This has led to significant advancements in areas like autonomous driving, healthcare diagnostics, and personalized recommendations. Another significant trend is the increasing focus on AI ethics and responsible AI development. As AI systems become more powerful and pervasive, concerns about their ethical implications have grown. Issues such as bias in AI algorithms, data privacy, and the potential for job displacement are at the forefront of discussions in the AI community. As AI systems become more integrated into our lives, it's crucial to ensure they are developed and used ethically. This means creating AI that is transparent, fair, and accountable. Companies and researchers are now prioritizing the development of ethical guidelines and frameworks to govern the use of AI technologies. Understanding these ethical implications will be key to building trustworthy and beneficial AI solutions. By addressing these concerns, we can harness the power of AI to create a better, more equitable future. The journey of AI is just beginning, and staying informed about these trends will be essential for anyone looking to make a meaningful impact in this exciting field. Section 5. From classroom to career gaining practical AI experience. Theoretical knowledge is important, but practical experience is invaluable in the AI field. Internships provide an excellent opportunity to apply your skills in real-world settings and gain hands-on experience. Look for internships at companies that are actively involved in AI research and development. Online courses and certifications are another great way to enhance your skills and demonstrate your knowledge to potential employers. Many reputable platforms offer comprehensive AI and ML courses taught by industry experts. Completing these courses will boost your credibility and make your resume stand out. Section 6. The power of connection. Building your AI network. Networking plays a crucial role in any career, and AI is no exception. In the rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence, staying connected with peers, mentors, and industry leaders can significantly impact your career trajectory. Building a robust network is not just about exchanging business cards, it's about forming meaningful relationships that can lead to collaborations, job opportunities, and continuous learning. Attending industry conferences, workshops, and meetups is a fantastic way to connect with fellow AI enthusiasts, researchers, and potential employers. These events provide a platform to discuss the latest trends, share innovative ideas, and gain insights from experts in the field. Moreover, they offer a unique opportunity to showcase your work, get feedback, and stay updated with the latest advancements in AI technology. Engage in conversations, share your knowledge, and learn from others' experiences. Don't hesitate to ask questions and seek advice. Remember, networking is a two-way street. While you gain knowledge and connections, you also contribute to the community by sharing your expertise and insights. This mutual exchange fosters a supportive environment where everyone can grow and thrive. Online platforms like LinkedIn offer valuable opportunities to connect with professionals in the AI industry. These platforms allow you to build a digital presence, showcase your skills, and stay connected with your network. Regularly update your profile, share relevant content, and engage with posts from others in the industry. This not only keeps you visible but also demonstrates your active involvement in the AI community. Join relevant groups, participate in discussions, and reach out to people you admire for informational interviews. These interactions can provide valuable insights into different career paths, industry challenges, and emerging opportunities. Don't be afraid to send a message or request a virtual coffee chat. Most professionals are willing to share their experiences and offer guidance. Building a strong network will open doors to new opportunities and provide invaluable insights into the industry. A well-connected network can lead to job offers, collaborations on exciting projects, and access to exclusive events and resources. Remember, the relationships you build today can shape your career for years to come. So, invest time and effort into networking and watch your AI career flourish. Section 7. Showcasing your skills. Acing your AI job application. When applying for AI jobs, tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight your relevant skills and experience. Clearly articulate your technical abilities, emphasizing your proficiency in programming languages, machine learning algorithms, and data analysis tools. Consider creating a portfolio of personal AI projects that demonstrate your practical skills and creativity. This could include projects you've worked on during internships, online courses, or independent initiatives. Showcasing tangible examples of your work will impress potential employers and set you apart from other candidates. Section 8. Real-world inspiration AI career success stories. Many individuals have carved successful careers in the AI industry, drawing inspiration from their journeys. Take, for example, Dr. Fei-Fei Li, a renowned computer science professor and former chief scientist of AI ML at Google Cloud. Her groundbreaking work in computer vision has significantly advanced the field of AI. Another inspiring figure is Demis Hassabis, co-founder and CEO of DeepMind, the AI company behind AlphaGo, the program that defeated a world champion Go player. Hassabis' passion for AI and his company's groundbreaking achievements demonstrate the transformative potential of this technology. Section 9. Your AI journey starts today. Embarking on a career in AI is an exciting and rewarding journey. By acquiring the necessary skills, staying updated on industry trends, gaining practical experience, and building a strong network, you'll be well equipped to succeed in this rapidly growing field. Remember, the AI revolution is still in its early stages, and the possibilities are limitless. Take the first step today. Start learning, exploring, and connecting with others in the AI community. Your dream AI career awaits. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos on AI. Thank you for watching.